If your company is a sole proprietorship, you can take draws against the equity you have in your company. To record an owner's draw for a sole proprietorship in QuickBooks Online, hover over the Create button in the navigation bar and select the Check link under the vendor's heading to open the check window. Then select the name of the owner from the Payee dropdown. If the owner isn't set up as a vendor, click the Add New choice in the drop-down menu to add the name of the owner to the vendors list. Then fill out the upper portion of the check as usual. In the Category Details section, assign the amount of the check to the equity account you use to record your owner's draws by selecting it from the Category column. QuickBooks Online creates a default owner draws equity account for new sole proprietorship companies that you can use for this purpose if needed. Make sure the correct amount appears in this row's amount column. To save and print the check, click the Print Check link in the toolbar at the bottom of the window. Alternatively, to save the check and close the window, click or select the Save and Close choice from the drop-down button in the toolbar in the lower right corner of the window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.